When are you leaving for Bosnia?
Pardon?
You're going to Bosnia?
Emir is going to. Emir. I'm going to Yorkshire, inshallah.
I see. Emir is going to Bosnia.
See his dad.
By himself?
Yeah.
Very good. MashaAllah.
His dad will come and pick him from his place from Croatia.
Good.
I'm going to Yorkshire, inshallah. Huzur, in the Holy Quran there is 114 chapters and 6,666 ayat. Will Huzur please tell us which God's wisdom is behind those numbers? What is the wisdom behind this?
The number?
Yeah.
If there were 115, will you ask the same question? If there were 119, will you ask the same question? So the number doesn't matter. But in the sight of Allah, there must be some significance of that. There I agree. But as far as the questioner is concerned, he has no right to ask this question, why this number and why not that number? So, I wonder if old ulama have expressed their opinion on this. Have they?
I don't remember, but we will find out from.
We'll find out. But one thing is certain, that 114 surahs were intentionally meant by Allah. And that is why there's, although in one surah, Surah Tawbah, Bismillah is missing, but in another surah, Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim in full is mentioned. So that makes 114 Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. So there has to be some significance in the sight of Allah, which at present often I cannot understand, but we'll search and find out from the authority of the old scholars, etc., and find out if Masih Maud has mentioned anything about it. Right?